In Mapsa, there are a lot of migrants. How are you going to tackle this issue of
A
Mapsa?
lot of migrants and what?
Migrants are, like on the bus stand, and this revolutionary goans are now making a lot of noise about it. What do you say about
See,
it?
there are a lot of people that come there in the morning for employment. So they are carpenters, laborers. So every morning the situation this has been going on for a very long time. It's not something new. They are recently been highlighting it and making a big deal about it.
Now the
But
new bus stand is coming up over
yeah.
there, and these migrants or who are occupying the places.
No, they are not occupying the place. They stand on the circle that is there, the Gandhi circle. They stand around the circle. So every morning to ensure that there is no law and order problem, there is a police vehicle, there is police personnel every morning there. So they are there for about half an hour, then they get picked up for various jobs and.
That NGO has been, actively doing some.
Every year there is some new NGO. This year it is them. The next year they may not be there. The year before that, if you see the data, there is some previous person, another person. Before that there was somebody else. So it's all political.
What are
Basically.
the updates of this new market that you're taking?
I believe the tender is going out. It went out yesterday or tomorrow, I think, with regards to the bus stand. Bus stand, I think.
And when the Ravindra Bhavan
Ravindra Bhavan, that there's a policy decision that needs to be taken in the cabinet. So as soon as that thing is done, then they can start the process of the.
how long it will take?
That depends on the cabinet when they take the meeting and when they take up.
It's a need of
It can happen as soon as 1 month also. I'm in touch with the art and culture minister on a regular basis, so following up with it.